Hi there, my name's Jason Wells and I'm the founder of Psion Insights, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about the customer pain points that our solution Psion Risk Advisor help with. So if you're a head of risk, some of the common pain points that I've seen through the multiple transformations that I've done in risk functions is that it's very difficult to identify emerging risk and concentration of risk and pulling all the pieces together from all the different organizational silos. There'll be information in a IT database, they'll be in the risk database, they'll be on Excel spreadsheets down in a country. Now that's a real problem. One of the things I've seen as well is that risk expertise is dispersed around the organization. They've got a big area to cover. What that means is their engagement and understanding of the business can be limited because they can't be everywhere at once. So as a result of that, they're not engaging at the right points, and it's more chance rather than an intelligence, insight-driven engagement into the areas that they really need to get into. One of the other things I've seen is that risk management is reactive. It's waiting, it's fixing fires. As a fire emerges, they see it, people react, incident management kicks in, and then they fix it. And then they eventually will look back and then they'll try and see what went wrong. Ideally, what we want to do is to fix that at source before it becomes a burning problem. So that's one of the big problems that we see with existing technology, is the fact that we have to react to reported risk and issues. As a result of a lot of the manual work, risk experts, they have a limited amount of time. A significant amount of what they do is manual. So they don't have time for that detailed analysis of what does this all mean? What does this mean for the future? Does this mean I'm going to have a broken platform? Does it mean that my controls are ineffective? They don't have the time to do those things because a lot of it is manually intensive. So those are some of the problems for a head of risk. If you're the head of IT, one of the things I'm sure you're worried about is that the applications that you've got are too complicated for many of the users, so there's a lot of expertise that's needed to release the value of that. And in some cases they're not particularly user-friendly. So what you need to do is somehow improve that customer experience, that internal customer experience, and harness it in a way that that value is released, and business managers, business employees, teams, they really think that the application is adding value and it's done in a user-friendly way. So using Psion Risk Advisor, what we're doing is trying to pull all those applications together, increasing interoperability, masking some of the complexity to allow them in a secure way to access the information they need to manage risk effectively. If you'd like to get in touch, my contact details are at the very end of the video.